let us discuss Faraday's laws of electromagnetic induction. This law is related to the electricity which is produced by electromagnetic induction. Now, let us discuss what is electromagnetic induction and how electricity is generated. Faraday's first law states that whenever magnetic flux, means magnetic lines of forces, linked with any coil or conductor changes with time, an EMF is generated in it. Means जब कभी मैग्नेटिक फ्लक्स या मैग्नेटिक लाइंस ऑफ फोर्सेस जो किसी कंडक्टर या कॉइल को कट कर रही हैं, यदि वो समय के साथ चेंज हो रही हैं या घट रही हैं या बढ़ रही हैं, उसकी वजह से उसके अंदर ईएमएफ जनरेट हो जाएगी. यहाँ पर मैंने दिखाने के लिए एक कॉइल ली है, उसके दो एंड्स पर मैंने गैल्वेनोमीटर लगा दिया और यहाँ एक मैग्नेट शो किया हुआ है जिसको हम आगे पीछे मूव कर सकते हैं. सो दिस इज अ कॉइल ऑफ एन टर्न्स whose ends are connected to a galvanometer which tells the magnitude of current as well as direction of current. Here we have a magnet which can move forward and backward. Either it can move away from the magnet or it can move towards the magnet. So it has been practically observed that when the magnet is moved, as long as the magnet is moving, EMF is generated in the coil. If, say, while the magnet is moving in the forward direction, if the galvanometer shows deflection on the right hand side, and when we move away this magnet from the coil, the deflection of the galvanometer will be reversed. Say this is when the magnet is removed in the forward direction, and this is when the magnet is moved in the reverse direction. Deflection will remain as long as the magnet is moving. This is first law. First law states that whenever magnetic flux linked with any conductor or coil changes with time, an EMF is induced. This type of EMF is called dynamically induced EMF. Second law, first law is whenever magnetic flux linked with the conductor or coil changes with time, an EMF is generated. Second law states that the magnitude of the induced EMF is directly proportional to the rate of change of flux linkage. This E is proportional to n phi upon dt. N is constant number of turns, so E is equal to minus n d phi by dt. d phi by dt is change of flux with time and n is the number of turns. More is the rate of change of the flux with time, more will be the magnitude of the EMF generated. Means if we move the magnet fast, more will be the deflection. If we move the magnet slowly, lesser will be the deflection. तो फर्स्ट लॉ ये कहता है कि जब कभी मैग्नेटिक फ्लक्स किसी कंडक्टर या कॉइल के साथ लिंक हो रहा है, यदि वो टाइम के साथ चेंज हो रहा है तो उसके अंदर ईएमएफ इंड्यूस हो जाएगी. और सेकंड लॉ ये कहता है कि इस ईएमएफ का जो मैग्नीट्यूड है वो डायरेक्टली प्रोपोर्शनल है टू द रेट ऑफ चेंज ऑफ फ्लक्स लिंकेज. E is proportional to d phi by dt. Since n is constant, so E is equal to minus n d phi by dt. This is Faraday's second law. Minus sign is given by Lenz's law, which states that this is given by minus sign is given by which states that the direction of induced EMF is such that it opposes the cause producing it. कि EMF ऐसी डायरेक्शन में उसकी पोलैरिटी पॉजिटिव नेगेटिव ऐसी होगी कि जो भी कारण हो उसके प्रोड्यूस होने का उसको वो अपोज करेगा. सपोजिंग दिस मैग्नेट इज मूविंग टुवर्ड्स द कॉइल, द डायरेक्शन ऑफ करंट will be such that the electromagnet form will have its north pole here and south pole on the other end. so that the north and north pole repel. And if the magnet is moving away from the coil, the number of lines are decreasing, the direction of EMF or polarity of the EMF will be such that here we will have south pole and on the other end we will have north pole, so that it may attract the magnet. So this is Faraday's laws of electromagnetic induction.